Hello, YouTube folks. My name is Zeke of zekesAntiqueSigns. I'd like to share my sign painting skills and tips, techniques, and whatnot while I can. As you can tell, got a little bit of gray going on, got a little life behind me, as many of you may one day also.
I'm in the shop and work on a project today. This is a custom piece for a client. I did work for him before. As you can tell, we use oil-based paints. Best way to blend for me. I start out putting the base colors on first. Using the wet on wet technique, you have to really move right along because it'll get tacky and gummy on you. So you got to be kind of set up with the colors and then just start mixing it well. I like to use a wet on wet technique to get my blends in. Oil based paints just lend themselves to it. It's just so much easier. We mix a lot of our colors, and here I am trying to put a really fine outline on these letters. Of course, the black and the light blue's been dry. We use a lot of drop shadows in our art. Generally like to cut in and fill. For my age, that's just better. Yeah, I worked on this piece over the course of a week, a few hours here and there. That's the beauty of oil-based paints and commission art. You can take your time, let it dry, hit it again, be creative, and enjoy the process. Sign is ready to be boxed and shipped to the client. I hope you learned something and found it entertaining. I enjoyed it myself. Bonus footage bloopers.
Greetings, YouTubers. Zeke of Zeke. Smart ass. What the heck's all that about? Yeah, I can go on Google and figure it out. Uh, Hey man, I've done a lot of stupid stuff in my life to get them gray hairs, so I'm kind of proud of them. I'm still standing, close to 70. I'm still standing, baby. Oh yeah.